Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a navigation bar using Django. So guys, now let's begin. First of all, we have to create a new HTML file in templates. We're going to call this file base.html. Now click on enter. Here we're going to create a navigation bar. Now guys, here we have to cut this all, and guys, here we have to extend base.html. We have to write open bracket. Here we have that curly brackets, then percentage, then extends. Here we have to write base.html. Now here we have to close this. Now guys, now here we have to write this simple code here. Here we can call hello. Now guys, here you can see this. Now here we have to write curly bracket again. Then here we can write percentage, then block, then content, then percentage. Now in the end, again we have to write curly bracket, then percentage, then end block. Now we have to copy this and we have to paste this here. Now here I'm going to write this h1 and hello world. Now guys, if you go and here and refresh it, then guys, here you can see hello world. This is working fine. Now go to Bootstrap. First you get Bootstrap. Bootstrap.com. Bootstrap.com. Now search here. Now we are here. Now go to docs, and guys, first of all we have to copy this. You start a template, click here to copy, and now we have to go to VS Code, and here we're going to paste this. Now guys, now here, first of all I'm going to change the title. So the title is fine, and I'm going to cut this, and guys, now here we have to go to components, and here you can see Navbar. Now click on it, and guys, here you can see this Navbar, and guys, there are many Navbar you can use, but guys, I'm going to use this Navbar. Now click on copy. Now guys, here after body I'm going to paste this, and now guys, here you can I'm going to format this, and guys, here you can see now this Navbar. Now if you go back to if you go to Chrome and refresh it, and guys, here you can see this Navbar. We have successfully created this Navbar. Now we're going to customize this Navbar, and also we're going to create pages. First of all, I'm going to change this Navbar color. I'm going to put dark color. I'm going to put here dark color. For that, here I'm going to that here, dark, and also here we have that, and here. Now guys, refresh it. Now guys, here you can see the dark color. Now guys, from here you can search, and guys, here you can see. Now guys, we're going to customize these pages, and here guys, and first of all, here you can see Navbar. Here we're going to change the name of this, and I'm going to put this name coding with, then here you can see, if I refresh it, then you can see this coding is Satyam. Now guys, you can change this, guys. Now I'm going to here in the URL. First of all guys, we have to go to this urls.py, and here you can see home. We have to we're going to use this here. Here you have to write curly bracket, then percentage, then URL, then here we have to write the name of that, then percentage, then curly bracket. Now guys, here you can see we have used this. Now guys, if you go back here and refresh it, then guys, here you can see, here guys, something is wrong. So guys, now guys, after this we're going to Chrome and refresh it, and guys, here you can see, if I click in coding with Satyam, then guys, here you can see this. Like this, you can use URL in home, it's in Django. Now guys, we have to, you just scroll down, and I'm going to find this home, and here I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to paste this home link over here. And here you can see I have already created this about, and now I'm going to create this contact, then this, then guys, now here we have to go to v.py, and here again we have to copy this, and here we have to paste this, and here we're going to change the name of this contact, and contact.html, contact.html. Here we can create a new file called contact.html. Now click on enter. Now guys, go to url.py, and guys, here you can see contact.html. Now here I write h1, this is contact page. Now if you refresh it, now let's go to base.html, and here I'm going to change the link to about, and I'm going to put here, what is the URL of about is about, and here you can see about is about. That's why we have to copy this, and paste over here. Wait guys, Control Z, and we have to copy this, and we have to paste this over here, and we can change the name of this about, then here you can see drop down. We're not going to use drop down, and also we're not going to use this. disable. That's why we're going to change this to navbar, navlink, and we're going to cut this disable, and here I'm going to change this to, wait guys, I'm going to copy this and paste this over here, and here I'm going to change this to contact, and contact over here, contact. Now guys, here you can see everything is done. Now guys, if you refresh it, and guys, here you can see home, about, contact, and here you press on home, then you can see this is about page. Now guys, if you click on about, then guys, here you can see this is about page, and if you click on contact, then guys, here you can see this is contact page. Now guys, like this, you can create pages in Django. Here we have to choose this code, and guys, remember to create path in urls.py, and also we have to create this function in fields.py, and also we have to connect this urls.py here, over here. If you haven't watched our previous videos, then guys, please make sure to watch that videos. Now guys, I'm going to use this navigation bar in our every pages. For that, we have to go to index.html, and here we're going to copy this, and here I'm going to paste this over here, and we have to extend this. Now after this, you can see refresh it, and guys, here you can see about, contact. For now, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you want to get more Django related videos, then guys, please make sure to subscribe. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.